Hello. So today is July 23, 2024. So let me fix this first. So I'm taking a video for just some a throwback after 5-10 years, something like that. As of now, I am currently unemployed. I don't know what will happen to me in the future, but I guess I'll get the life I want. So I graduated Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English just now. I guess recently, July 15. And now today is June 15. Okay, I graduated June 15, and today is July 23, 2024. So, to my future self, if I already have, I wish that you'll have a happy family together with, the person that you're courting today. I hope so. Ako na siya kanang grabe siya ka kulitan, like cold kaysa sa ko, but I don't care as long as you will end up with me having fighting spirit. So nauna na ako siya I will take a video with myself, something like that. So in order for me to have something like a happy memory that I will be looking in the future. So fighting future self. So today, itawagan ko like there's a call for a job that I applied. So hopefully this will be the beginning, the start. So, voila. My name is Alma Victory. Yeah, tambay at the moment.